Hey Cinderellas, welcome back to my... Let's do this. Hey Cinderellas, welcome back to my studio, and today we're going to be talking about magnetic lashes. Now, I've had so many different questions from different clients, friends about magnetic lashes, and I know it's like a hot topic right now. Are they safe? How do they work? And I was like, I don't know, I've never tried them. So what I decided to do was I decided to order some lashes, and I wanted to really get them from the source. Now, I know on Instagram you've seen like many different companies selling magnetic lashes. I can think of a few names off the top of my head. You might have seen magnetic lashes in the drugstore, but I really wanted to go right to the source of where the lashes were made, and that source is obviously China. And so I bought these magnetic lashes. I just actually took them out of the box. They look like this. They're from a company in China. They actually are like a gold standard manufacturer. So they've been in business a really long time. They do distribute quite a lot here in the United States, and especially to a lot of the major retailers. I crossed my T's and I dotted my I's, and I did some research and check. And so I decided, okay, I'm gonna try their magnetic lashes. And so I got the container. Basically, the box has the 2 sets of lashes. I was playing around with them just in preparation for this video, but you can see they sent me like a nice full pair of lashes. They sent me also like a, I guess, what is this? A tweezer, an eyebrow lash applicator is what they call it. And they also sent me the magnetic lash glue. And so what I wanted to do is I just wanted to get on here and just kind of explain to you how it works. I have put them on before, hence why the box is open. I thought it was really cool. I'll just show you. There are 6 magnets in each of the lashes, and this is kind of what they look like. One thing that I thought was funny was this. It basically, because it's magnetized, it connects to the lash applicator and it kind of holds it, which I thought was like, oh, that's interesting. So, yep, it's hanging. I'm like trying to get it off. Nope, not coming off. So I thought that was something funny. But these are nice fluffy lashes, and I thought it would be interesting to really see how they worked. And I did try them before. I was not 100% sure if I liked them or not, but I figured I would give it another shot because I've seen like mixed reviews. Some bloggers and YouTubers are like, yeah, they're amazing, they work so great. Others are like, I don't know if they, you know, but I think this is a really good solution for anybody who's looking for like an everyday type of lash. Maybe something you want to pop on and off, you know, in between your work day, if you want to amp up your look for the nighttime. And so the box was interesting because it basically just says easy to apply, no glue, and it's reusable. But then you have your magnetic eyeliner, which is what I know I called it lash glue before, but it's not lash glue, it's magnetic eyeliner. And so I put a little bit of eyeliner already on because I wanted to kind of have a base in case I mess up. Like, and it's good if you're doing this at home. Don't go in directly with your magnetic eyeliner. First, like line your eyes, and then you can eyeline with this, and like you can build it up and stuff if you need more. But basically the directions just say apply magnetic eyeliner and wait a moment. So I'm gonna do that, and then I'm gonna attach the lashes to the eyes. And then how to remove lashes. So the reason they gave this tweezer was because you're basically taking the tweezer and you're gonna remove the lashes when you're ready to take them off and then put them back in the box. So all an interesting concept. One thing I was concerned about, and I know you guys may be sitting out there watching this video, you might be having the same type of concern, but I was really concerned about the fact that like what the ingredients are in this this lash liner and magnetic liner, and is magnets like around the eyes, is it safe for the eye area? I haven't been able to find any research that proves otherwise, but I know that if you do have sensitive eyes, just like be careful with what you put on your eyes. That's like always, right? If you have sensitive skin, be careful with what you put on your face. If you are allergic to perfumes, fragrance, you know, it goes for like anything in life, right? So one of the things I was reading, and I actually was kind of disappointed because Like there's no ingredients written here on this packaging, so I don't even know what this eyeliner is made of. And so I had to reach out to the lash company and I had them email me like a whole ingredients form, but like half of it was like in Chinese, so I couldn't even read it or understand it. And then I went online to just look and see like what are some of the ingredients that are in magnetic eyeliner. So I'm gonna read some of those ingredients to you now. So the ingredients in magnetic eyeliner, some of them are acrylates, copolymer, water. I couldn't say that word. I can't even say this one. I'll include it in the video so you can read it. I wonder if you were like a chemistry major, if you could like actually read these. But what they say is, unlike old-fashioned extensions which stick onto the eyelids with glue, magnetic eyelashes contain tiny magnets. Magnets are, these attach in 2 layers above and below your upper lashes, which actually these are like with the magnetic liner, so you can ignore that. But basically they talk about like safety tips. It says, don't share your magnetic lashes with other people. Keep the box for your lashes clean and closed. So this is all right, like really important, especially because of the world we live in today. I really think like beauty is never gonna be the same ever again because of, you know, COVID and like everything else, which I've always harped on, like, not to pat myself on the back, but I've always harped on like sanitation and the importance of like cleaning all your products and alcohol and sanitizer and cleaning the brushes and the combs and everything else. I've always harped on that. And so not blowing on your makeup. If you see your makeup artist blowing on their makeup palettes, run away, please. Anyway, if your eyes become irritated, stop using the lashes. Don't use them if you have an infection or the skin around your eye is irritated. Throw away any lashes that you use at about the time you got the infection or the irritation. That goes with anything, guys. Like, if you got irritated by something, you need to like solve the puzzle and figure out what it is and throw that away. Don't keep your makeup forever and ever and ever. Like really, it does go bad. And this glue, I think it goes bad in like 3 months, okay? So remember that. Wash your hands before touching your eyelids. Duh. Be careful not to touch or scratch your eyeball. Wow. Do not try to put on your lashes in a moving vehicle. Okay, I've done this before. I have. Guilty as charged. Okay, so these are just some of the safety features, but I just wanted to go through them with you because, like, you know, magnetic lashes. I'm gonna go ahead and now I'm gonna come a little closer. I'm treating it just like I would like regular eyeliner. And the reason why is because it's gonna, even in the parts where the magnets are not gonna attach, it's gonna look like eyeliner. So you wanna do that. I just wanna put a little bit more on. I also like did put a little bit of mascara on my eyes because I kind of wanted the lashes to blend right in with my lashes because they're super long. Ooh, there we go. Now I'm gonna go ahead and wait for it to dry. I'm gonna go ahead and grab my lashes right off. I'm gonna like bend them at the edges too. I like to do that with all my lashes. The reason why I like to do that, because then they conform more to like my eye shape. So I like to wiggle them around, loosen them up a little bit, and I'm just gonna pop it on. Wow, it actually attached really, really nicely. And it feels super light for like the weight of this type of lash, because this is like a pretty thick and heavy duty lash. And so what these lashes are really meant to be is like almost like an everyday alternative. Although I don't think I would wear like this thick of a lash on a daily basis, but this looks really good. And it doesn't feel like super heavy. Wow, look at that. Look at the difference. let's do the other lash. Ooh, we're gonna do the same thing here. I'm gonna wriggle it around, make it like conform to my eye. Okay, maybe I'm a believer. I'm getting to be a believer in this thing. And this is dry, so now, oh, and it's on. Ooh, I like them. Let me just put a little mascara on the lower lashes and even us all out here. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna keep them on for a while and then I'm gonna be back and I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna take them off, put them back on, and I'll be back. Just gonna kind of leave them, why not? See what it feels like, see what it looks like. I'm gonna come in closer so you guys can see. I hope the liner doesn't look like a mess, but I did my best, guys. There you go, magnetic lashes. I am gonna keep these on for the rest of the night. I'm gonna come back at the end of the night and I'm gonna show you how I can take them off and I'm gonna use them again, maybe the next day, who knows? Maybe I'll throw them on tomorrow. All right, see you in a bit. Hey guys, so I'm back. It's been quite a few hours now. It's about 11 o'clock at night here and the eyelashes are still on. I actually peeled this one, like I took it off and I put it back on before, but it's funny because it does like click back on better than like if I was like putting like eyelashes with normal glue. So that's, I think, the pro about this lash, these magnetic lashes. You can use them again and again. I will say when you put it back on, it doesn't like stick the same way as it did when you put it on with the eyeliner at first, but you can see I took it off and I put it back on and it's still on. So it does feel a little bit lighter. And I actually love these lashes that they sent me. They look really, really pretty. So that's my like take on the lashes from China. I feel like they are like straight from whatever you're buying here, but you're gonna save a lot more money. Unfortunately, their ingredients are not on there. The directions are like kind of so-so, like, you know, apply the liner for a while. But I think that for the value, it was like a fraction of the cost. They're worth it. I don't know if I'll like use regularly lashes because the regular glue lashes don't bother me as much either. But for anybody who's looking for like more, if you're a novice and you're looking for like less of like work and like, you know, this is like very easy to put on. So that's my take on these magnetic lashes. Hope you guys enjoyed this little review of them. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to this channel if you enjoyed the video. Let me know your thoughts on magnetic lashes. I'd love to hear if you've actually tried them yourself and what you think of them. And I'll see you guys later. Good night. Mwah.